What is up, guys? Real Austin here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's content, it's gonna be very quick. This is the why I decided to buy a sports car from Nissan, which is the Nissan Z. So first is, of course, the looks. The looks of it is really good, but it's not that aggressive compared to Toyota Supra. And the simplicity of the car inside, which is the interior, is also good. Wala masyadong pindutan. It's just, para sa akin, parang classic. It's just you and the car, and the sound of the car, and how you drive it. That's it. So, ganun lang. So, hindi ka masyadong stressful sa kakapindot. Well, everybody does it, lalo na sa infotainment, di ba? Kapag magna-navigate ka ng mga maps, kung saan ka pupunta, pag hindi mo alam yung lugar, and then yung music, of course. And you still have the 3 gauge, which is the boost, turbo speed, the volt. So you have that there. So nandiyan pa rin sila. Parang standard ng Nissan Z yan, na nandyan siya. And you have 3 knobs on the bottom part. So you have yung vent kung saan mapapadaanin yung AC, which is yung AC din, yung fan, and then yung AC temperature. So nandyan siya, knobs sila. Rotary knob, hindi siya pindot. So hindi siya digital, guys. The infotainment is good because it's incorporated with the speaker of Boss, which is a good brand. We all know that. Maganda talaga yung speaker niya. And I believe yung mga bagong kotse, ini-incorporate na nila sa Boss kasi maganda talaga yung sounds niyan. So, sa loob naman, you have 2 vent sa side ng pintuan, which is the very first time I saw this kind of setup na nandyan yung vent sa pinto mismo. Of course, you have 2 vents sa harap, which is really cool kasi yung Nissan, guys, yung aircon nito talagang swabe talaga, guys. Paglalabang ka talaga kahit patirik ang araw. So, ganun siya kaganda. And, of course, the engine bay of this, or the engine itself, ang ganda. Pag nakita nyo, guys, yung makina nito, napaka-neat, ang pakagawa. Okay, sana hindi tayo matraffic. Okay, salamat. Magpapalit tayo ngayon ng sasakyan kasi hindi ko na nagagamit yung Montero ko, guys. So going back, you have, of course, the seats. Maganda yung seats nito. Hindi ko alam kung Recaro to, pero parang hindi naman. Hindi ko masyadong kinakalikot to, guys, pag ako dito, pag sumasakay ako. Drive lang, ganun lang. So, bihira ako siyang mapansin. Ang napapansin ko lang dito, of course, yung what I don't like about it, which is, isasabi ko rin sa inyo. Okay, so, yung rim nito, guys, naka 19, I believe 19 to. Malapad, maganda. So, wala na tayong planong magpalit ng rim. Parang pangit pag pinalitan mo yung rim nito. And ano pa ba? Yung lapad ng kotse, maganda talaga, guys. Yung lapad ng kotse. Tsaka yung takbo, it has the speed. Of course, the power is there. But it's not faster than Supra, of course. Supra is, I believe it's much faster than this. Pero compared to other cars, mabilis na to para sa akin. No? The infotainment naman is good. Though may ano lang, may konting hindi lang ako gusto dito sa infotainment niya, guys. Okay, traffic na. There, okay. Padaanin mo naman ako nang hindi nata-traffic. Okay, good. Okay, so, infotainment, okay siya. Okay yung sounds niya. But, eto na yung part. I will tell you what I don't like about it. Kasi lahat gusto ko eh. So, there's only two things that I don't like about this car. You know, having said that this is expensive, of course, you're expecting that it's gonna be complete with feature na parang basic. One of those is the navigation system, which is the CarPlay. Yung CarPlay kasi, it has the Waze, which is when you're driving in the city, you don't know the place, of course, you will be using that. Aside from that, you'll be using the music para hindi nakakabagot mag-drive. So, what I don't like about the infotainment here is hindi siya wireless. Yung ano niya, yung tawag dito. Yung CarPlay niya, guys, hindi wireless. So, nakakalungkot kasi this is an expensive car. Hindi siya mura. But still, it's not wireless. You need to connect the cable from this car going to your cell phone before it will give you the CarPlay. So, what I've done, I bought a small dongle na wireless capable para maging wireless yung ano niya, yung CarPlay. So yun, just imagine, that's only a small feature na kailangan niya dito. Which is, for me naman, parang masasabi ko naman na kaya naman remedyohan. Okay naman yung bumili ka na lang ng ganun, 'di ba? Pero still kaya namang gawin ni Nissan eh. So, Nissan, baka naman make it wireless CarPlay. Kasi everybody does it. Mazda does it. Toyota does it. Diba? So, other brands does it. And you, why not you? Diba? You're Nissan. And, of course, we have charging port, Type-C. Type-C to Type-C. And you have the small cambio. Ano yung cambio? Basta shift gear. Ganon. So, yun yung isa na na ayoko dito. Yung hindi siya wireless CarPlay, guys. So, cable siya. So, when I bought it, I was kind of disappointed at first. But I realized, meron pala nabibiling small dongles na para dyan. Ano ba? Another thing, yung etong side mirror. Guys, this is not automatic fold side mirror. You need to press it to fold the side mirror. You need to press it again to open the side mirror. So that's it. When you close it, when you lock the car, it will not automatically close. So ganun siya. Just imagine, that's also one small feature na sana ginawa na lang nilang auto fold so that it will confirm kung close yung auto, 'di ba? Kasi ito, when you close it, it will just beep but it will not fold. Parang sa tingin ko kasi napakagandang feature noon, especially when you're out of the car, you close it. Parang minsan kasi may nakakalimutan mo yan eh. Na kung na-close mo na or what not. Kung di ka sigurado, dun pa lang sa side mirror mo, kung naka-fold yung side mirror mo, you will know na nakalock na yung auto mo, 'di ba? That's how you check it. Pero dito, you need to press the button to fold and then to open it. That's it. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang yung ayaw ko dito sa kotse na to. Everything on this car is so good. Wala na akong reklamo. Naka-ano na to, naka-strut bar na sa harap. Sa likod may support na rin tayo. I don't know kung support to, itong alum na to. I don't know kung support yan. Pero it seems to be, it looks like support. So, hindi natin masyadong alam guys kasi hindi ko naman masyadong sinearch talaga yung mga function nito. So, kung akong tatanungin nyo, parang ang mapapansin ko lang dito, of course, yung nasa nasa paligid ko na normal kong ginagamit sa iba kong kotse. So, other than that, yun lang guys. This is a good car. And I hope Nissan will try to make better car like this in the future. There's rumors na ibabalik nila yung GTR, which is I'm planning to get one of these days if if it will permit me to have it, then I will have it, 'di ba? So ganun lang siya. So that's it guys. Again, thank you for your time. This is Real Austin. You always ride safe. Peace.